The Deploy Trauma Kit is a fast access trauma kit designed specifically for treating massive bleeding. One hand, one action to access life-saving equipment. This is how to fit it to the AUDAX Hydration Pack. On the back of the Deploy Trauma Kit, it has a MOLLE or PALS webbing attachment system. Traditionally, MOLLE webbing will look something like this. Horizontal strips of 25mm or inch webbing with a 25mm or inch gap, and this webbing can be repeated any number of times. This could be on a rucksack, a hydration pack, or a plate carrier. This is the same as on the back of the Deploy pouch, but with vertical weaving straps as well. Take the Deploy pouch and place it where you want it to sit on the object. Flip up the pouch so you can see the weaving straps, and you're going to pass them underneath the first run of webbing on the mounting object. You're going to take these same straps and pass them through the Deploy pouch. Pull them both tight. You're then going to take these weaving straps and pass them through the next run of webbing on your mounting object, and then you're going to do the same and pass them back through the Deploy pouch. Then when you've gotten to that point, you'll have these two rigid ends. What you're going to do is find the pockets in the orange material and place them inside of it. This creates a modular but semi-permanent attachment point to an object. We're going to do the same with our climbing kit. On the back of the AUDAX hydration harness, we're going to look for the horizontal webbing and do essentially the same. In this case, instead of horizontal webbing, we've got laser cut MOLLE. Take your Deploy Trauma Kit and place it on top of your mounting point. Flip it upwards so you can see the two weaving straps, and pass it under the first run of webbing, or in this case, laser cut holes on the AUDAX Hydration Pack. Pull the straps tight, and depending on how high you want the Deploy Trauma Kit to sit, you can either go under the first run of webbing, or you can go under the second. Pass it under that strap of webbing on both sides, pull it tight, and you're going to go back down through the next run on the AUDAX. Pull it tight. On the underside of the Deploy, you're going to pass it under the last run of webbing. Same on the other side. You're going to be left with these two tabs. You're going to put them inside of the pockets on the orange material. Do the same on both sides. You now have fast access to a trauma kit.